Well, I yesterday I introduced my first marble machine for this year, and here we are the next day. I got the bearings yesterday, so I was able to put it together. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start it and see if it breaks. So as you can see, it's quite intricate, and I'm gonna rotate it a little bit so you get to see, and then the camera as well. Uh oh, it just got stuck. It just got stuck. I don't know what's going on, but it just got stuck. So maybe the battery is getting weaker. No, the gears are over here. Uh, the gears over here were skipping, and that is a common problem, at least on my model. Let's see if it's going to go again. Okay, so you saw it working, and now it's not working. So I don't know. We'll move this one tooth over and see if that's gonna. Oh, that made it worse. Okay, so it needs to be at least another tooth over. Oh, it's still too early. At least you see that not everything is perfect. Now it's too late. So I'm gonna advance it one tooth. Maybe I did two teeth earlier. So I don't understand. Still too early. Okay. So as you can see, not everything goes well, and I don't know what the problem is. This is not the best design. I'm not going to even include where the where I downloaded it from because uh, I think this design needs a version 2.0. Uh, at least that's my opinion. There we go. Too early, too late. So let's see. This should have been here. It should have been right here. Okay, that's a little too early. Just one tooth over. Let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, so looks like that I'm gonna have to like work on this thing some more. But as you can see, it's cool looking. I must say that. But unfortunately, it's not working very well. It just worked nicely on the beginning, as you saw, and then as soon as you run it, I think the problems in this design are numerous, and I'm not going to try to bash the guy. I mean, after all, he done his best, but um, I he's using okay inside here and here and inside all the gears are little tiny bearings, and they sit right here on like from this edge to here because they are very narrow. And to make it work, I guess you would have to put in more than one bearings together. So this whole thickness here. But the problem also is that once once you put the bearing in and then you have to adjust it, it gets loose, and therefore it wiggles like this, and so the hole is then just a hair too big. So it's kind of a sad that that's what it is. But because I really wanted to make this machine to work, but as you can see, it's it's ill. So uh, I would say that I had fun building it and frustrated at the same time. But I hope that you will understand that that's just how sometimes these machines work. They work most of the time, not all the time. You have a fantastic year, fantastic day. Give me thumbs up, even though it didn't succeed as good as I wanted to. Have a great day.